we do today? Proportions.
Proportions and scale drawings.
4.4, proportions and scale drawings. What, Huda, can you now do? Can you use cross products to solve scale drawings? Yes. Do you guys know what a scale drawing is? If you don't, read your notes. Do you guys know what a scale is? If you don't, read your notes, right? All right, so here it is. The bulk of the time is going to be spent right here. Okay, I built a house. Truly did. I have no idea if my numbers are correct, though. I just made them up. But I built a house, and my builder, eyes up here, said that the scale was what? What was the scale? My builder said the scale on the drawing he presented to me. He said, Brent, here's a drawing of what your house is going to look like. And I said, builder, my house is only going to be the size of this sheet of paper. And the builder said, no, your house is represented on this sheet of paper with a scale that is what, Kari? So for every 1 inch of drawing, my house was 5 feet, right? So I said, oh, thank you, builder. I was hoping I didn't have to live on this small sheet of paper. Ha ha ha, right? Okay, super fun. So on the drawing, my house had a scale of 1 inch to 5 feet. So letter A right here said that I had a door that was 1 inch wide on the drawing. Because my door would not be 1 inch wide in actual life, would it? No. So what we did is we wanted to figure out how wide would it be in actual life. Yes, no?
Yes.
So we used our scale, which was what, everybody?
1 inch is 5 feet.
We used our scale, we set our scale equal to 1 inch to
X
feet, because I don't know how wide my door is going to be. And then what we did is cross products, yes or no? What's 1 times 5?
5.
5. And what was 1 times x?
X.
X, and I'm done. How wide is my door?
5 feet.
5 feet, yes or no?
Yep.
Okay? Now, I have a really picky wife. And she told the builder, she said, builder guy, my house has to be 40 feet tall, Samaya. I don't care how you do it, it has to be 40 feet tall. And the builder guy said, sure thing, I can do that. But he said, I have to change the drawing. And so if the house was going to be 40 feet tall, and we were using a 1 to 5 scale, you with me still? The builder did some math, and he said, all right, I'm using my 1 to 5 scale, and how tall does the house have to be again?
40 feet.
40 feet. And so my question to the builder was, well, if the house is 40 feet in real life, how tall is it going to be on the drawing? And he goes, I don't know. I have to do some math. I don't know means he used the letter X, because X is a number that we don't know yet. How do we solve for X? Somebody tell me, how do we solve for X? Samaya, how do we solve for X? We have our scale, 1/5, set equal to X over 40. 40 times what? So you did 40 times 1, which is a cross product. And then what'd you do? 5 times X, which is a cross product, right? So I know you can't read it because we have it all scribbled out. So you essentially have 5x equals 40. And then Samaya, now what? How do I know what X is? So we have to get rid of the 5. How do you get rid of the 5? Because 5 is being multiplied by X, we divide, right? And what does X equal? 8 what? 8 inches, because we want to know how tall it was in the drawing. And on the drawing it is 8 inches. We're going to ignore that for now. Okay, you got it? Any questions? Can you guys do this? Oh, I can't wait to see.